Hey, it's Kai. Imagine a warehouse with a million boxes and you only want the red ones from last March. Filtering is how you tell the database to hand you exactly those boxes and ignore the rest. Today we learn the operators that describe what you want and, or, not, in, between, and like. In short, filtering means asking for less so you get answers faster. Every filter starts with one word, where. Think of where as a bouncer at the door checking each row against a rule. If the row's answer is true, it walks in. If it's false, it's turned away. Here the rule is age greater than 18, so only adults make it into the results. And is like shopping with two demands at once. It has to be cheap and it has to be in stock. Both boxes must be ticked or the row is out. So here a $50 item that's sold out gets rejected because it only passed one test. In short, and makes your filter pickier and your results smaller. Or is the friendly opposite of A and D. It's like saying I'll take coffee or tea, whichever you've got. A row only needs to satisfy one side to get in. Here anyone from Delhi or Mumbai qualifies, so OR opens the door wider instead of narrowing it. Here's a trap I fell into earlier. I once wrote a query mixing OR and AND with no parentheses, and the database quietly grouped things differently than I meant, so my report included minus from Delhi. AND is evaluated before OR, just like times before plus in math. In short, whenever you mix AND and OR, wrap the OR part in parentheses so the meaning is obvious. Not is the exclusion stamp. Instead of listing what you want, you point at what you don't want and say, give me everything else. Here we grab every order that is not cancelled. It's the same as saying status not equal to cancelled. Just read out loud a little differently. IN is a shortcut for a pile of ORs. Instead of writing city equals this or city equals that 3 times, you hand it a guest list and it checks if the row is on it. This query is exactly the same as 3 OR conditions, just far easier to read. Clean. Between is for ranges, like asking for everyone between 2 ages at a party. The important detail people forget is that both ends are included, so 100 and 500 both count here. Is the same as writing amount greater or equal 100 amount less or equal 500. In short, between means from this, up to and including that. Like is for when you don't know the whole word, only a piece of it. The % sign is a wildcard meaning any run of characters, and the underscore means exactly one character. So A% finds every name starting with A, and %son would find Jason, Mason, anything ending in son. Think of it as text search with blanks you let the database fill in. Here is the sneakiest bug in filtering. NULL doesn't mean zero or empty, it means unknown, and unknown can never equal anything, not even another unknown. So phone equals NULL matches nothing at all, silently. You might wonder why nothing shows up when you know blanks exist. In short, to catch missing values, you must write ISNULL, never equals NULL. Let's compare quickly. OR is the most flexible but turns into a wall of text fast. IN is perfect when you have a specific list of separate values, like 3 cities. Between wins when your values form a continuous range like dates or prices, but it can't do a scattered list. My honest take, IN is underrated. People write 5 ORs when one IN would read like plain English. One reason we care about all this isn't just correctness, it's speed. A good where clause tells the server to throw out rows before it does the heavy lifting of sorting and grouping. It's the difference between searching one shelf and searching the whole warehouse. In short, the cheapest row to process is the one you filtered out at the door. So that's the whole toolkit. And narrows, OR widens, not excludes, IN checks a shortlist, between covers a range with both ends included, and like searches text with wildcards. And remember the NULL trap, unknown values need ISNULL. Practice mixing these with parentheses and you'll write filters that are both fast and exactly right. That's the hard part explained. Here's the easy part. Like it, hit follow.